फ्रेंड्स, बारिश का मौसम है और अचार बनाने का मौसम है, तो हम जो है नींबू का अचार बनाने जा रहे हैं। आई हैव दिस मच अमाउंट ऑफ around 1.5 kg this lemon, and we will make this khatta meetha achar. Begin by cutting this lemon into small pieces like that. They are all are washed clean. And we will cut small pieces, 8 pieces. Okay, like this. I will put this lemon pieces in this. Later on I will take out this one by one seed. So when I take out these seeds, I will transfer them into this jar. I have some lemon juice taken out, and if need arise, I will take out some more. Okay. Be careful while cutting. Use good sharp knife. These pieces won't get their shape change. They will be full of juice. If knife is not sharp, then most of the juice will go on this cutting plate. Now we have done almost all are desiccated by fine knife. And now we will add some salt to it. So I am just adding it with gas like that. Again like that. I think this much is sufficient, because later on I will add some rock salt also. Now we will put this lid on it and shake it like that. Shake it and let it marinate for 1 or 2 days. We resume this our sweet nimbu pickle recipe. I show you. This is a few days ago. We put this lemon, a little bit juice, and de-seeded lemon pieces, equally cut small pieces. Now we are ready to make pickle of it, sweet, spicy pickle of it. Okay. Put this kadai on flame, and this I am using this Talati organic jaggery. Well, we kept this jaggery to melt here. Okay, show you properly. We will not add any spices in sugar syrup like people like used to do, or in jaggery, because it has nothing. Spices has nothing to do with jaggery. Spices are used to be put in this lemon itself. So you have seen we have put some salt also, and this juices, and in the small pieces of lemon, and marinate it for 3-4 days, 5 days. So okay, now we are going to add something in it. I will add this black pepper. Black pepper I add. Okay. Then I add some this jeera, cumin seed, powder cumin seed. Okay. We have some garam masala. made in home. Okay, everything we have got here is made in home, whether it is red chili powder, whether it is jeera, whether it is black pepper, like that. Except this asafetida. Asafetida I have to purchase from market. Okay, and then this some dalchini, piसी हुई dalchini. Okay, and this red chili. Okay, I told you that I am adding less salt in it because I wanted to add some little this rock salt also. This rock salt. Use your hand. Your hand gave taste to recipe. Okay. Now we will put it like this. Lid. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Because this spices should go into lemon, not in jaggery. And I tell you, avoid white sugar. Don't use white sugar at all for making this lemon pickle or any other pickle. Use this jaggery, and organic jaggery also come. And there are so many farms, if it comes powdered jaggery also come nowadays, so you can use it. And don't use I drink this water in this earthen pot. This gives lot of minerals to our body which we require. If we drink from fridge and from bottle, plastic bottle, then it's harmful to our body. So be healthy, and to be healthy, you must have apply some common sense. Now this jaggery is going to melt like that. Okay, I have this iron krupa from old days. My mother's iron krupa. That is also good. Now it is melted properly. Okay, you can see it. Now I will add all this into it. I think this jaggery is less, so always improvise also. If you feel it is less, then you add more, and if it is more, then you add more lemon to it. Okay. Maybe it was little less than half kg, so we need to put it more.
Need any help?
No help.
I'll roam around and come back.
Okay. 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 Now we have got good color, texture, and good spicy. In my recipe, there is no compromise. It is not like that swadanusar and like that you add according to yourself. No, please make as I make. Then you will get real taste. If you try to improvise it, then you may commit mistake. Look at this. This is almost done. We allow it to boil for one time, and then we will fill it in jars. Okay. Last time I show you how to sterilize the jar by fumigating in by assafoetida and this, fumes. We can also sterilize it if we have some short duration thing. Look at it. 2 glass jar. I put one is like this, another is like this, and I close the lid and I heat it for 1 minute. Okay. Put this lid only for 10 seconds. So now we are ready to fill it. I put it in, it's still hot it is for sterilization in microwave. And now this is also hot, not very hot, but it is hot, just taken off from flame. So many people think that it should be filled when it is cooled down, but it should be filled when it is hot, because if it is hot, then there will be no bacteria will remain in either inside jar or inside anything in this pickle. So your pickle will never get spoiled, because there will be no fungus in your pickle. Remember it. Always leave some room for air, because we are filling it hot, so we must leave some space for air. So if it is filled, fill it, keep it just like this. Let there some space remain. I take out this another one. Come on. You see this, they both are ready and ready to eat. If you want, you can eat right now. If you want, you can eat 2-3 days after. And I show you. This is hot, but I show you. Oh, I show you the texture. Look at it. Look at it closely. From side, you look at it. It gives very nice pick, very nice color and all this. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, share it also. Thank you very much.